this problem concerning midpoints, we're going to be given a midpoint and one of the endpoints and asked to find the other endpoint. My formula, remember, is to add the x's divided by 2 and add the y's divided by 2. All right, so let's look at this picture-wise because that is the easiest way to do it. The midpoint is at 2, 1, so that is right 2 up 1. There's my M. And J is at 1, 4. That is one of the endpoints. So I've got to go right 1 and up 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is the middle. So if I'm looking for the other point, it couldn't be on this side. That would make J in the middle. I need it to be on this side. And the easiest way to do this is visually. Find out how far you have to go to get from J to M and do the same thing over. So to get from J to M, if I fall down 1, 2, 3 and over right 1, I'm at M. So I just have to do that. Go down 1, 2, 3 and over 1. And there will be my endpoint K. So let me draw that. K would be at, if I try to name that from the origin, I'm going right 1, 2, 3 and down 1, 2. My midpoint should be at, what did I say, 3, negative 2. Now, let's do it algebraically. If the midpoint is 2, 1, and I know my formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, and I'm using the endpoint 1, 4, I'm going to call that x1, y1. The x1 would be a 1 right here. Y1 would be a 4 right here. This would be x2 and y2. Now, the 2 is in x's position, so I'm going to put those together and write down to find the x. 2 equals 1 plus x sub 2 over 2. And then I'll make another problem with the y's, so those will go together. 1 will equal 4 plus y2 over 2. Okay, there are several ways to do this, but the easiest way would be to get rid of this denominator. This means that this side is being divided by 2. So if I multiply both sides by 2, the denominators cancel and I'm left with 2 times 2, which is 4, equals 1 plus x sub 2. Then subtract 1 from both sides. The ones cancel. And x sub 2 is 4 minus 1, which is the 3. For the y's, do the same thing. Multiply both sides by 2, so you won't have a denominator anymore. 2 times 1 is 2. And 2 equals 4 plus y sub 2. Subtract 4 from both sides. The 4's cancel. Y sub 2 equals 2 minus 4. Different signs, subtract. You'll get 2. And then the sign will be the same as the number with the highest absolute value. So negative 4's absolute value is 4, and that's bigger than 2, so it's going to be a negative 2. So here, 3, negative 2 is the algebraic way of doing it, as opposed to the hands-on method where you just count the same distance.